So very good evening to all of you. Today in this lecture we are going to solve one problem within 10 minutes. So this is the numerical to us. The water flows through a pipe and the pipe is connected to one venturi meter, and the pressure at 2 points, the points are point A and point B. The pressure difference between these 2 points is given as 20.2 kilopascal. So here it is asking to find out what is this manometric deflection. Okay, what is this manometric deflection? So the specific weight of the water is given as 10 kilonewton per meter cube, and the specific weight of the mercury, it is given 13.6 times of the specific weight of the water. So first of all, the point is here, the deflection in manometry is coming, that is due to the difference in pressure at the 2 point. Okay, so the difference in pressure at the 2 point is given you as 25.2 kilonewton per meter square or kilopascal. Because of that, there will be a deflection in manometer is coming. So let's proceed. Okay, so this is the point number A and this is point number B. Suppose at this point A and this distance is given you as alpha, and suppose this point B and this distance is given you this one as beta, and we need to find out this HM. Okay, so the as simple as it is, so just we have to apply the manometric equilibrium equation in between these 2 points. So I am choosing a reference axis. So this is my reference axis X and Y. Okay, so I have to apply the manometric equilibrium equation in between these 2 points. So I can write down the pressure at X will be equal to pressure in Y direction. Pressure at X will be equal to pressure at Y. So now if you see, the pressure at X will be equal to whatever the pressure will be at the point A, plus there will be, because this one is mercury and this is the manometric fluid, and the pipe, the water is flowing in this one, so this is density of the water. Okay, so I can write it down, pressure at point A plus density of the water into G into this one is alpha will be equal to, I reach this point, now I am writing the manometric equilibrium equation from the right hand side. So whatever the pressure at point B plus, that is water, the density of the water will be there, into G into this beta, plus there will be mercury will be there in manometric, so that density of the mercury into G into this is HM. Okay, so now if you take this one as pressure at point A, plus I am taking this side, this one and this one side, so this will be alpha minus beta into this one is how much, this is rho W into G. Okay, so will be equal to pressure at point B plus the density of the mercury into G into this is height of the manometric deflection. So now again I am writing this equation, the pressure at point A plus this is alpha minus this is beta into density of the water into G will be equal to whatever the pressure at point B plus this is rho mercury into this is G into this is height of the manometric deflection. Okay, so now I am taking pressure at point A minus the pressure at point B. This pressure difference is given to us. Okay, so that will be equal to, this is density of the mercury into G into this is height of the manometric deflection. Okay, and minus I can write in this is alpha minus this is beta into this is density of the water into G. You see here alpha minus beta is what, because this is alpha and this one is minus beta, so that is will be equal to what, that will be equal to HM only. So here alpha minus this beta will be equal to height of the manometric deflection, that is HM only. So I can write down here, this is density of the mercury into this is G into this is HM minus this alpha minus beta, I can write down, and this is density of the water into G into this is HM. Okay, so this is specific weight of the mercury is given to us, so I can write this is gamma of Hg minus this is also specific weight of the water. This is gamma W into this will be HM will be equal to this hammer. This is pressure at point A minus this pressure at point B. So what we have to find out? We have to find out this HM. So HM will be equal to, this is pressure at point A minus this pressure at point B divided by the specific weight of the mercury minus the specific weight of the water. So this is already given to us. This is given to us at 25.2 kilopascal. No need to change the unit because already the specific weight are given in kilonewton per meter cube. So this is gamma Hg. Mercury is what is the given? This is given mercury 13.6 times of the this is specific weight of the water. So I can replace this one. So this is 13.6 minus 1 into this specific weight of the water. Okay, so this is 25.2 and this is 12.6. What is the specific weight of the water is given? That is 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So what is this HM? The HM is coming out to be 0.20 meter. Very simple as it is. So now I am giving a simple task to you. Suppose in this question it will be asked to you to find out the velocity of the flow. Okay, the velocity of the flow at this point number B. Okay, what is the velocity of the flow at point number B and what is the discharge flowing through this pipe? What is the discharge? What is the flow rate in this pipe? Okay, if these two things will be asked, you try to solve this question. Okay, so now thank you friend for watching. Your support is very essential for me. So please, if you like my video, please share it and please subscribe my channel. So thank you.